right, what you're gonna do is put your arm out. Are you holding it?
Yeah.
Like you're holding it.
Finger off the trigger.
Finger off the trigger though. Are you holding it?
Watch
Like
your
holding
fingers.
it strong.
No.
Okay.
Straight out.
Can't really hold it.
Slowly
Good.
squeeze that trigger, but you're gonna look down here and point that at your target.
Okay.
Shoot.
Like the metal thing or the cardboard?
Whatever,
Ari, what
whatever
are you
you
doing?
want.
Why are you going that way? Straight.
Okay.
Go ahead.
That's weird.
All right. Then you're gonna pull this back. It's ready again.
Okay.
Hold on. All right. Now ready when you're out. Strong. Strong.
Which?
There you go. Strong. Shoot. Woo!
Knock it back.
All right. Strong. Strong.
Good job. That's what I'm talking about.
All right. Ready?
Shot the tree.
Strong. Now, no. Stop. Don't pull yet. Look at this and put it on what you're shooting.
Okay.
Go.
Woo! I shot the cardboard ball.
All right. Strong.
There you go.
All right. Now you're gonna turn it just like you did before. Oops. Here, pick up another one. These fall on the ground.
Mommy-daughter time here.
Whoop. Strong, baby. Keep your arms strong, okay?
Trimming some trees there.
Not up, okay? Now be strong and then make sure you're aiming. So you're gonna look all the way down this to that. That is gonna go on whatever you're shooting, so don't shoot the trees, okay? So you're kind of aiming up. Up. All right, shoot. Oh. All right, we'll get you some more. Pull all the way back.
Good job. That was awesome trigger control there. Awesome.
Strong arms. All done. All right.
Ari, what did you like about shooting your mommy's gun?
I had to use both of my hands and I had to do that.
Yeah. Was it
Shooting.
easy to shoot?
Yes, and
Yeah.
easy on the load.
And easy to
and then
load?
it.
Good.
And
Would you say it's easy for a 9-year-old to use? Yeah. Shooting the Heritage Rough Rider. Did you count them? All right, Kara, tell me, what do you think about your Heritage Rough Rider?
I love it.
What do you like about it?
I like it's accurate. It's got a real smooth trigger. It's easy to load, real easy to unload. Not a lot, no kickback. It's not super loud. It's not like your normal 22 where it's loud. I like everything about it.